grievances within the party. In fact, some of them are already a victim of those grievances. You have seen one of our senior member leaving the party and becoming a candidate of NPP. So these are indications. These are just the tip of iceberg. Therefore, we want to resolve them at the appropriate time, meaning well ahead of the election. We can't allow this kind of internal problems which are there, which we would like to resolve within the 4 walls. That's why I'm not sharing with you. If you would be asking what are those problems, you will not get anything from me. So this is how we are moving. Okay. The fact is that we have been able to insulate our team from at least that kind of poaching which was resorted to, which is continuous, which can probably continue until we face the 2023 election. Now you are seeing a sudden shifting of somebody from the party when the elections are notified. You are seeing that. So until elections are faced and until we really fight the next election, we won't know what are those ultimate fallout of anything that we don't resolve during as we prepare for the 2023 elections. You know, you have seen that one of our senior most member of the district council, KHTC, has left the party, become a candidate of other political party. So we didn't expect this to happen, isn't it? But there was reasons for that, and that's why you see what is happening. Therefore, it is incumbent upon us to see that, okay, when we want to strengthen the party, we don't end up with this too many surprises as we come closer and closer to election. You have seen also in 2018 how many friends who indicated that they'll be with us ultimately ditched us, left us, and they also became a victim of their own betrayal. Many lost. So therefore, many won. This is what ultimately is usual dynamics of politics when issues are not resolved on time. Therefore, we want to see that things are resolved on time. We have to be abundantly clear that we want the issues to be resolved. There is no, kids' globe that is going to work. See, internal party affairs do require patient hearing to all our concerns. I have to listen to my MLAs. What are their concerns? What are their apprehensions? It is not my personal problem. Okay, let us be very clear. So when we are talking about internal problems, that means the problem revolves around the people in the party, the rank and file in the party. Okay, if you follow properly in every respective districts and what is happening, what is the apprehension, then you will probably be able to understand them. But then it is not appropriate for me to actually, since we have maintained that internal differences, whatever the cases may be, the best way to resolve them is within the 4 walls, and then we will try our best. And since there is a various mechanism how the leadership is reaching out, I think we have reasons to be free from and not to be the victim of pessimism. That is what I say.